What's up, YouTube? PCR back with another Blender tutorial. I fell in love with this software. Anyway, today is all about Hdri, guys. See this cool background that I have on here? Yeah, it's one of the hardest things popping in Blender. When I first started doing Blender, I was crazy about Hdri. So today I will be the master, teaching you boys how to do it. Alright, you dig? You feel me? Alright, cool. So I'm just gonna get everything off of here. Start a new session. And I think I'm gonna have to move my pretty face again. I hate moving my face because I have to mention it's pretty and most girls get uncomfortable. Anyway, it's not the point. So we're gonna set up an Hdri background. Some people just think it's cool to have them in their background, but I did realize that you can make your own Hdris from cyclocrafts, and you can use Hdris to actually use them as your scenes if you don't want to like do landscapes and stuff. But obviously you will have to do some DaVinci Resolve for that, which will be coming up. So for now, we're just gonna set up a normal Hdri. You know, you can download it from Hdri Haven or Polygon, or just type in Hdri on your computer. Hdri free download, and you get a bunch of places where you can get them for free. But I'm gonna say Hdri Haven, and it's one of the most straightforward. You just get in there and you're good. So yeah, you can get it from there. So you just wanna, after you downloaded the Hdri, of course, I'll have a video on how to download these things later, as yeah, I still need some to move a few mountains for that. So the first thing, you want to put your mouse here, then you pull that up, just until you like it. I like it here, and my voice is kind of weird. I have like a crazy flu. So yeah, it's kinda, I don't like it. It's not how my voice sounds. Anyway, then you come in here, you change this to the shader editor, but you're not gonna be using this part of the shader editor today. You wanna come back here to object. You wanna select the world, and these two things are gonna pop up. Left click, middle click the mouse, put it there, and then I'm just gonna roll up my mouse wheel a bit. And what you wanna do is you wanna delete the background, or just select one of them, because if you just delete, it's gonna take both of them off. Make sure one is selected, then you hit delete. Next you hit Shift A, but this time we're gonna use an environmental texture. It's the same thing you do with image textures, but now we're gonna do it with environment texture. And then once this pop up, obviously we click open, and then we go to the computer where you saved your Hdris after you downloaded them, of course. And then I think I'm gonna bring my face this side. It's getting in my way now. Put me there. Okay, so we're gonna hit Hdris, and then I'm gonna use this one. I do love snow, but I think now I'm gonna use this one. I just quickly select it before I change my mind, and then this pops up. Obviously it's loaded. I don't have to change anything here. You just connect your nodes, connect it to the surface, but then you see we still can't see it. That's because we still have to switch to the rendered view. The only place you get to see your Hdri is the rendered view. Don't even try material view, it's not gonna work. That's why I don't like using HDRIs as my background, because you know everything kind of slows down and rendered. So yes, you're gonna hit Z and you get this options. You can rather use the numbers, like Z2 will bring you here, Z6 will bring you here, Z8 will bring you here, but I like to scroll with my mouse. So after you hit Z, I think I selected something there, the wireframe. So I'm gonna hit Z again and then move up to rendered, because that's the only way you get to see your HDRI. Which is why I hate doing it, because with my cheap computer, rendered mode is only for rendering. Because it makes me a turtle. I hate waiting. Anyway, that's it. So yes, HDRIs can be used for lighting your scenes. It's either you can use HDRI, you can use a sky texture, or you can just have normal lights or the sun like this one. It's also used for lighting, but you have to learn things like 3-point lighting and stuff if you're gonna use lights in blenders. Light is an art. You have to learn it. You just don't light stuff. But HDRIs are the coolest ways to light your scenes. As you can see, everything is just lit up, and then you can just go ahead and block or animate whatever you want to do. You already have a cool light system. And then next time I'll be showing you guys how to make your own HDRIs from Cyclocrafts, and also use these HDRIs for like having them as your actual scenes. We will be using DaVinci Resolve, so you can go ahead and download DaVinci Blackmagic Fusion. In the meantime, if you wanna learn how to make your own HDRIs, because Blackmagic Fusion is the best in making these. So yeah, I think that's it for this tutorial. I'm not gonna go too crazy about it. Peace out.